Description: a tone-correcting shampoo for blonde, lightened, or gray hair. Violet pigments neutralize brassy tones, restoring color to its ideal appearance. Benefits: color-safe, sulfate-free formula helps repair and seal the cuticle with ArganID technology. Suggested use: massage through wet hair and scalp. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Follow with Blonde Perfecting Purple Conditioner. Bring out the best in your hair color with the Blonde Perfecting Purple Shampoo from Moroccanoil. This tone-correcting shampoo gently cleanses while fighting brassiness in blonde, lightened, and gray hair. The color-safe and sulfate-free formula features violet pigments to counteract unwanted yellow and orange tones, as well as ArganID technology to help seal the cuticle and impart brilliant shine. While you apply Blonde Perfecting Purple Shampoo just like your normal shampoo, you should leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes rather than rinsing out immediately. This gives the violet pigments time to do their work, fighting brassiness and enhancing the depth and dimension of your color. Step 1. Massage through wet hair and scalp. Step 2. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Step 3. Rinse well. Step 4. Follow with Moroccanoil Blonde Perfecting Purple Conditioner. Top reviews from the United States. It worked well. I think it works well. This was only after 1 use. Granted, there is different lighting, but you can definitely see a difference. My hair was very yellow, brassy in the first pick.